This in-service video provides basic instructions for using CITEC Hernia Stapler. Always refer to the instructions for use packaged with the product for complete instructions, intended use, contraindications, warnings, and precautions, etc. Intended use. Hernia stapler is intended to facilitate positioning of surgical mesh for implantation on soft tissue during laparoscopic or open surgery to repair an abdominal hernia or fascial defect. Features: titanium tack material, good biocompatibility, and MRI friendly. Low-profile titanium mesh interface, no cap. Matte finish shaft, no reflective light in procedure. 2 working lengths available to meet the demands of laparoscopic and open surgery. Ergonomic pistol handle design for comfort and easy manipulation. Instructions for use. 1. Take out the product from the package and remove the tip protector. 2. For MFT L02 version used under endoscopic procedures, insert the product through appropriate sized trocar cannula. 3. Place the distal tip of the product on the target site. Apply light pressure to the target site during placement of the helical fastener. 4. To fire the product, simultaneously press the product distal tip against the target site and squeeze the handle completely. 5. While firing the product, apply external counter tension when possible to the area being stapled to ensure secure fastener placement. 6. Repeat the above steps 3 to 5. For placement of additional fasteners all along the length of the area to be approximated and/or fastened. If necessary, the hernia stapler may be used to remove the fastener from tissue by placing the product's shaft directly upon the fastener, applying light pressure and rotating the product in a counterclockwise fashion. To facilitate fastener removal, common ancillary laparoscopic products may be used. Precautions and warnings. 1. Product supplied sterile using an ethylene oxide process. Do not use if the package is damaged. 2. Do not reuse or re-sterilize. Reusing or re-sterilization may compromise the structural integrity of the product and/or lead to product failure. 3. Reusing or re-sterilization may also create a risk of contamination of the product and/or cause patient infection or cross-infection, including, but not limited to, the transmission of infectious diseases from one patient to another. 4. Do not use the product if exceed the expiry date. 5. Applying excessive pressure against the distal tip of the product may stall and/or jam the instrument. 6. Do not use product on tissues which cannot be inspected visually for hemostasis. 7. If the total distance from the surface of the tissue to the underlying structures, bone, vessels, or viscera is less than 4 millimeters or may be compromised to a total distance of less than 4 millimeters, use of the product is contraindicated. 8. This product should not be used in tissues that have a direct anatomic relationship to major vascular structures. This would include the deployment of helical fasteners in the diaphragm in the vicinity of the pericardium, aorta, or inferior vena cava during the diaphragmatic hernia repair. 9. Do not use an ischemic or necrotic tissue. 10. If a helical fastener becomes jammed, rotate the product counterclockwise. 11. After the application, always inspect the surgical site carefully to ensure hemostasis. For more information about CITEC Hernia Stapler, please refer to the instructions for use or CITEC website at www.citec-group.com.